Hello, Fates Collide. Wow, look at this pack. It is so awesome. Ah, light. Wow, I hope we get a break card.
We get the Lugia.
Yes.
I think that's the card we're after. I don't know if there's a card trick, so...
Okay. Burmy. Snubble. Bronzor. Machino. Deerling.
Ooh, that's shiny.
There's...
Ooh!
Ooh! That's
Mega
sick.
Alakazam EX! Ooh, that's actually sick! Oh!
I just opened this for a joke because Fates Collide sucks, but that's a cool card.
That's a nice card. Maybe we were wrong. Maybe people are misjudging this set.
Machino. Spray. Oh, oops, there's
And that's it. And here you go, guys. Here's that code card for you.
because we don't care.
Yeah, because this is probably kind of useless on the game. All right, peace! Oh, wait, that concludes the short.